In this really simple tutorial, we're going to be looking at the timeline feature in Adobe Photoshop to create an animated GIF. All I've got here in Adobe Photoshop right now is my background layer, and I've also got a logo layer. I'm going to go ahead and create multiple versions of my logo layer, because what I want to do is I want to rotate the logo clockwise, so I need multiple versions of that logo. So I've just created all my different logos, and I've gone around almost like a clock going around in 12 points. I've now got 12 different layers for my logo to rotate. The next thing we need to do is to turn on the timeline feature. To find that, go into Window, go down to Timeline, and a little dialog box will pop up at the bottom. Just going to extend that up a bit. And then the button in the middle that says Create Video Timeline, I'm going to click that. Here is the timeline. Now, if you've never seen a timeline before, normally you have a playhead that runs from the left of the screen to the right hand side of the screen. And this is no different. If we hit play on the left hand side, you'll see the playhead move across from the left to the right side of the screen. You can move this around by dragging it backwards and forwards, and it's just this blue thing with this red line going down. This timeline is equal to 5 seconds, just as standard. What we need to do is to tell the timeline what we want it to do by moving things around. So I'm going to drag this purple band from the right hand side of the screen all the way down to the left hand side of the screen. As you can see, it's got the words end and duration with a number affixed to it. So I'm going to put that down to 5 for each individual ones of these little purple bands. Now we need to create these in incremental steps going up. And before we do that, I'm going to switch on all of my layers. So all the layers are now switched on. I'm just going to drag the layer 1 copy to the right, and then to the right of that, the next one, and the next one. So now we have our logo in different incremental steps. At each of these, it's been rotated. So you can see with the playhead there, if I was to drag it to the next graphic, you can see the logo start to rotate around. If we go back to the beginning and we switch on the loop function by going down on the burger menu to loop playback, click that and press play. Let's see if the logo rotates. As you can see there, the logo is rotating all the way now round clockwise. If you'd like that to get quicker or to slow it down, all you would need to do is lengthen or shorten the frames. I'm going to show you what it looks like at 3 frames. So as you can see, at 3 frames, it's slightly faster. Once you're happy with the speed of the rotation of your animation, it's time to export that animated GIF. To do this, we go to File, go down to Export, Save for Web Legacy. And from here, we need to select in the drop-down menu, GIF. You can actually test to see if it's working by using the play button here. As you can see, that's going to loop round. Once you're happy with it, hit save and save that to the location. So logo loop. And there you have your logo saved as a rotating animated GIF that will just go on forever and ever and ever. If you're getting some value out of this video and you want to support the channel, head over to my Patreon account where you can download all the different assets that I create on this YouTube channel. You'll also be able to see some of my behind the scenes footage. If you got something out of the video, remember to like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will look forward to seeing you in another one of my videos, which may be on screen now. Take care. Thanks for watching, guys.